Happy Halloween, guys. Happy Halloween. Thank you for watching this one again. And this is the Devil Kiss, my last cocktail for this recipes of Halloween. Was very nice. I hope you enjoy it and you like it. Also, thank you so much for the new subscribers around the world. All the comments, everybody who gave me the comments of my last video, the game of Jigsaw was amazing game. I hope you like it also. Guys, around 4 messages I have in my Facebook, and they say something like this: we will be Halloween, so I like to drink in Halloween, Mico, I like to drink in Halloween whiskey. You can make a cocktail with whiskey. This is, guys, very easy to make and very nice to make. The kiss of no, devil kiss. The devil is kissing. Okay, I think I put too many icing around. Okay, it's too many. Only this is enough, guys. This is my you can use what whiskey you like. You will drink what whiskey you like to drink. I don't give the name, you know what I'm talking about, my messages of the Facebook. This is the Black Label open bottles, guys. I like Black Label whiskey, so I will use Black Label whiskey. It's around 1 ounce, very nice. This will not using the of course, I forget at home, or I cannot buy it from here. This is not a cocktail who you will mix it, or you will not shake it, you will mix it, and my mixing glass is at home. Okay, guys, whiskey, 1 ounce of whiskey. You need to have a half of Campari. Guys, I telling you again, I'm not a professional bartender. I make my recipe at my home as I like it. Normal, you'll see why, because you'll have a half of Campari, and for my suggestion, it's enough of bitter. There, it's a lot of bitter. Normal recipe, you need to use also orange bitter, and you put a dash of the orange bitter. And okay, I think it's enough. It's enough. The Campari is doing the bitter stuff. Guys, you need to use dry martini. I don't use the dry martini. I like the sweet martini, and I will use a half of sweet martini. And oh, I put more than a half. I think I'll put a little bit more. Anyway, okay, just for luck. And like I say, this is a mix it cocktail, is not to shake it. So let's mix with this one, and you will mix it just like this, very nice. And you leave to mix it there. Chilled glass. I have one glass with, look at him, very cold, staying in my fridge. Directly to the glass, strain it. This is the Devil Kiss cocktail of Halloween. Very nice, very nice. And now, very easy to make it. As you said, it's already done. My opinion, I don't know why, but this is the recipe of the Devil Kiss. A car is outside. Sorry, guys, we are living in a world, and this sound, what you hear it, ping, ping, it's a car who is going to parking around here. Okay, what I'm saying, it's the garnish. You need to use olive. I don't know why they are using. This is the recipe. I will put also, and you need to have a large stick like this. Okay, come here, one of them. This one. And this is it. This is how we do it, like this. And you put inside. This is the recipe. This is what I did. It's a very nice one, very easy. I hope you will like it for your party of the Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys, and cheers. Whiskey, bitter, sweet vermouth. I like it. Nice one and easy cocktail. Devil Kiss. Thank you, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe right now. You can leave also a comment. Smash that bell, because I will come with more videos, and very nice one, like I will make a review for the game of Jigsaw, and I will have some some new cocktails to show you and some flame shots. We will come also with some, one of you guys give me some messages, they like the perfumes what I presented, and I will make more of the perfumes, something like that, and I buy it anyway already. And another suggestion from somebody told me he want to make something with worms. Hey, where you go? I'm not finished. I like to make something else. Hey guys, another suggestion for the party in Halloween, you can put ice. Look of this, guys. This is a basil seed. I don't know exactly what's having inside, but it's having, I don't know if you can see it. They're having inside something very nice, and it looks like this, like moving around. You see it? It's like, okay. So if you put something like this inside of one glass, you can put also some vodka, for example, and let's put some vodka, or you can put tequila if you like, but I will put mango vodka or normal vodka. What do you like? I have vodka, normal vodka, I have mango vodka, I have a lot of flame. Okay, I will put 1 ounce of vodka. This is just a suggestion, like I don't know, just for you guys, so you can see how it's looking. It's very nice, very easy drink. Okay, so this basically is drop inside. Look of them, how they are looking, and you can hang beside of this with some worms like this. Okay, this is some worms from jelly worms, okay, jolly or something, and this is all. That's it. And it's moving, look. Okay guys, happy Halloween. Cheers once again. Thank you for watching this. Until my next video, stay cool and enjoy the party of Halloween. Also, I will enjoy it. Thanks, and bye.